That was awesome with DS diving on the boat Falcon One. I had in my notes, seemed I had forgotten to clean your rudder. I'm very sorry about that. Grows pretty quick. Not saying I did forget it or didn't forget it, but what I did for you is got the rudder all cleaned up. We got a video of that and gave you just another quick wipe down on the boat, the entire boat for you. Got your water line again. So once again, very sorry. Won't happen again. So let's go give it a look. Oh, it is May 22nd, 2023. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.